Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by preparing devices and enabling the trigger. Put the AirPods Pro in your ears, unlock your iPhone, and confirm Bluetooth shows them connected. Make sure iOS and AirPods firmware are updated so commands work reliably. If you want hands-free, enable Hey Siri in settings. It uses on-device processing for speed. Otherwise, learn the stem control. Squeeze the force sensor once to wake Siri. Once done, you're ready to issue short commands or ask for longer tasks. Now you'll invoke Siri and deliver the action. Say Hey Siri or squeeze the AirPods Pro stem. You'll hear a tone confirming activation. Speak clearly. Say call Alex, send message to Priya, I'm running late, or play jazz playlist. For navigation, ask give walking directions to home and Siri will route via maps. Use follow-ups like also text them I'm 5 minutes away without restarting. Siri maintains short contextual threads. Make your core request concise. The assistant executes faster and with fewer errors. Finish the task and confirm results before moving on. If Siri reads a message or completes a call, say thanks or just stop speaking. The session times out automatically when idle. If Siri misinterprets you, repeat the command more slowly or use your iPhone keyboard to edit messages for accuracy. When activation fails, toggle Bluetooth, unpair and repair the AirPods, or reset them. That clears firmware glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure microphone access and noise reduction aren't blocked by debris in the stems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.